Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Today we are going to learn how you can add a signature to your PDF using Wixel. Let's get started. First, go to Wixel.com and log in using your existing Wix account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, click on Create over here and then click on Upload. Then upload the PDF file that you wish to work on and open it, so that you'll be taken to the Wixel editor with your PDF file opened. And once it's ready, it should be ready to view right over here. In Wixel, you can actually work on your PDF or fill it up. And just like what we're going to do on this video, you can sign your PDF file. So to add a signature, click on Sign. And there are actually three ways that you can add your signature. You can draw your signature just like that, or you can type in your name, or you can upload a PNG of your signature. So in my case, I'm just going to type in a sample name over here for demonstration. Then let's click on Add. Once you do that, your signature will automatically be added, so you can just simply place it wherever you want to place it and resize it as well. Once you're done, you can then share or download your PDF. So just go to share and download here on the upper right. Oh, first select your PDF file, then click on share and download. So you can share it by sending an invite link or by posting it directly to these social media platforms, or you can download it to your PC. So there you go. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.